Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. So real quick, I got the latest Kiwi Lane kit, so I wanted to hop on real quick and share it. I just need to open it up here real quick. And like I said before, I'm a part of the monthly kit, and you get exclusive Kiwi Lane templates in the kits, along with the paper collection and stuff like that. And I love it because they send you a card that has the scanner, the code on there, where you can go to projects that have been made. This month's templates, you get a pumpkin, a ghost, and then you have these three pieces. Well, it's basically, um, what do you call them? Like frames. And then the little tag, like in the center. And what I like about it is the idea that if you layer them up right, it could look like that you've got different matte layers, which could be fun. And then you also get the almost like the I guess you would call them project life cards. And on these, they have the different sayings. Some of them, it's like a saying on the fronts, and then it's solid on the backside. So you can use these in your pocket pages, uh, stuff like that. If you, I don't know, you know, I'm not big into Project Life myself, and I've tried and will probably try again to do the like December daily, but these would technically work with those, the pocket pages that you would use for something like that. And sometimes, when it comes to scrapbooking, you might want to try something different. I've also seen some of the ladies use them as mats for their photos. You just put it behind it. Some of these cards are like 4x6, so you could put a 4x6 photo on there, just cut it a little bit shorter, and you could have a nice little border around your uh, your paper. So that comes with the kit as well. And then I would have to say, besides the templates, I think my favorite thing is usually the paper. I really like the quality of their cardstock. These ghosts on the paper, and then you have the triangles on the back. I just think they're really cute. This one is cobwebs, and then a nice solid. Now this one, as soon as I saw this sheet, I fell in love. I don't even know. I know you could probably cut out or fussy cut those individuals, but I just really love the way it looks. And then this is probably one of my favorites. My most favorite papers in the collection is that orange paper because of the what is that, Baroque, the way that the pattern is done. I just think it's so elegant and pretty. And you always get two sheets, um, yeah, two sheets of paper for a double, like a double layout. They give you enough to do two double layouts, and then you have your additional paper so that you can do all your different layers and stuff, or use your pumpkin to cut out, stuff like that. Now, I'm also showing you another thing I got, which was everyone's been talking about the 5D diamond painting. So, of course, I had to get on the bandwagon. I wanted to see what this was about. So, what I like about this one, this is called, I think it would be like the half drill because it's not the full picture. Just the dresses and the hair bonnets and the things they're holding have where the stones go. And then, like this one I'm showing you, it's a full drill. So, from edge to edge, you would put these diamonds on it. And it's hard to see on this one, but I really like how the colors, the vibrance of it. And this one would be a good starter one for someone because it's a smaller size. I, of course, went for the bigger one, but I want to do it as a gift, so I'm trying to keep it secret. I hope she doesn't watch this video, though. Well, too late now. But that's all that I got in my latest haul. So I was just showing you up close pictures here of the Kiwi Lane. And if you guys are interested in the diamond painting, just leave a comment down below and maybe I can talk about it. I'm literally just getting into it myself, so I don't have a whole lot of answers, but you know, I don't wouldn't mind sharing what I've learned so far. So thank you guys for joining me, and make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And at the end here, I'm going to have links to previous videos, and I hope you guys have a great day.